गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज के पार्ट के माध्यम से हम लेसन 3 पढ़ेंगे, हाउ हाउसेज वर बिल्ट। तो इसमें हम घर हमारे कैसे बने उनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे। और यदि आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लें, बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस कर लें, जिससे मेरे वीडियोज़ की नोटिफिकेशन टाइम टू टाइम आपको मिलते रहें। तो शुरू करते हैं। चैप्टर 3 हाउ हाउसेज वर बिल्ट। The places where we live is called our house. House protects us from cold, heat, rains. There was a time when human beings had no house to live in like today. They used to live in tree branches, dense branches and caves. The lifestyle and eating habits of human beings changed with time. Earlier people used to live in mud houses. The walls of such houses were made of mud. For making the roof of the house, a structure made by connecting the wooden planks was placed on all the 4 walls. Later it was coated with mud. Baked tiles, rigid naria, bamboos and straws were also used to make the roof of the houses. The coating of the floor in such type of houses was done with the mixture of mud and cow dung. Some people used only straws and bamboo poles to make houses. Such type of houses is called a hut. This is known this to about 2400 BC. The existing Indus civilization was India's first urban civilization. The main features of this civilization were well-planned town and building construction and proper drainage system. These are 2 questions. You have to find out the answers of these questions. What kind of houses do you see around you, and is your house pakka or kacha house? There are 2 types of houses, pakka house and kacha house. How houses were changed. You see many types of houses around you. Some of these houses are kacha house while other are pakka. Pakka houses too are of many types like single story, double story, bungalow, multi-story buildings, etc. With the passage of time, lots of changes and variations have came in the shapes, kind of building materials of the houses. Now cement, bricks, sand and iron rods are used in the constructions of the houses. The walls, the roofs and the floors of houses made with such materials are permanent and strong. Such houses are safer from the storm than the kacha houses. Until the few years ago, there were no toilets in the houses. People used to go out in the open spaces of fields for defecation. But now people have started constructing and using the toilets. This is the 3 branches house. This is the multi-story house. This is the single story house. These are of pakka house, and this is the mud house, simple these house and cave. These are in last past years houses. This is the currently pakka house construction and use these type of houses. And in the ice age, Igloos. Igloos are made also such type of houses in the ice age. Then the form of houses has reached to huge and luxurious buildings through huts and kacha houses. Whether the house is small or big, kacha or pakka, it is important to keep it clean and organized. It is duty of each and every member of the family to keep the house clean and organized. Garbage produced from the houses during the course of our daily activities of life, many unuseful substances are produced which we call garbage or the waste products. This garbage could be vegetable and food peels, tea leaves remaining after use, wrappers of toffees, biscuits, polythene bag, etc. Some people throw it on the streets instead of putting it into the dustbin. Usually, the garbage coming out from the house can be divided into two parts: biodegradable and non biodegradable waste. The other two questions. These are two questions to discuss. What will happen if the garbage is not removed from your house and surroundings? And how can it be harmful to us? If the garbage generated from a house is littered here and there, it makes the surrounding dirty. Flies sit on it and many harmful insects start breeding. It also produces foul smell. Due to this, many diseases spread, which adversely affects our health. Therefore, proper disposal of garbage is important for health and hygiene. Garbage disposal. We all face the problem of waste disposals around us. It is therefore necessary that we adopt a method for disposal of garbage so that our environment is not harmed and we can keep our city village clean. Let us do. ये हम कर सकते हैं. Divide the waste generated in your house into two groups in such a way that each group consists of the following items. Group 1: rotten fruits, peels of vegetables and fruits, rotten food, tea leaves remaining after use, dried leaves, etc. And group 2: polythene bags, plastic, glass, useless things of irons, etc. Put the waste of each group in different mud pots and covered it with soil. After about 2 months, remove the soil from the waste of both the groups and look at the changes which took place. You will see that the garbage of group 1 has disposed and completely mixed with the soil. The garbage mixed in the soil act as a manure of plants and trees, whereas the garbage of group 2 did not get disposed and mixed with soil. Think why it happens so. The reason is that plastic, battery, glasses, etc. thrown in the form of garbage do not rot. Gradually, they form a pile of waste and harms our environment. So we should put the waste produced from our house in different dustbins. Garbage management. Garbage management means proper disposal of garbage. In this way, we can prepare measure with the help of waste which can be disposed in the soil. It can be used in the school or home gardens, while for the disposal of waste which do not get disposed in the soil, 4R can be followed: reduced, refuse, reuse, recycle. First, reduce. Why the course according to the requirement of house. Ref- Refuse. Avoid using the polythene bags and items made of plastic. Reuse intelligently. We can reuse many things like broken baskets in the form of dustbins and vases. Recycle the things that old papers, newspaper, piece of iron and glasses etc. such can be recycled should be given to the rag picker. Many waste products can be reused by recycling. Let us make useful things from waste products. This can be do you at home, like pen stand. Look at this, the empty can. Let make a pen stand with it. First, take out the lid of can. Second, the flatten its edge with the hammer. Third, the plastic is colored paper using gum. Fourth, the decorate the lace and ribbon. And fifth, the attractive pen stand is ready. This is ready item pen stand. This can you can do the waste item at home. This is the chapter, and we will do the explanation in the next day, next chapter, next video. And keep stay home, stay safe, and live at home and live safe. Goodbye. And you read this chapter and practice what word pronounce how pronounce which word. Thank you.